I am Dr. W. B. Gulmane from Kamaladev Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the isomerism in the coordination compound. And as we know, there are two types of isomerism. One is a structural isomerism and second is a stereo isomerism. So in today's part we are going to discuss in detail and different types of structural isomerism. So today's topic is isomerism in the coordination compound. We have discussed already the valence bond theory of coordination compound and details IUPAC nomenclature of the coordination compound, and in today's part we are discussing details about the isomerism in the coordination compound. And as we know, what is isomer? So isomers, that is the compound which have same molecular formula but have different structures. Such type of isomers are such compounds are called isomers, and the phenomena is known as the isomerism. And as we know, most of the organic compound shows this phenomena of isomerism, but now in some cases inorganic compound also show this isomerism. The two or more chemical compound which have identical chemical formula but different structures, these are known as the isomer, and this is known as also the phenomena is known as isomerism. This phenomena is not restricted to the organic or carbon compound but is also found in case of the inorganic compounds. In case of coordination compound, the ligand are arranged in a special having the special orientation around the central metal line or atom, and geometry of such type of compounds or coordination compounds are shown here. And this is the octahedral geometry, this is tetrahedral and square planar geometry. In case of octahedral, six corners are there, ligands have the arrangement in octahedron and occupy the corners of octahedron, and metal line is at the center. These are the four corners of tetrahedron. If we join, we get the tetrahedron. So three geometries have been shown. Here it is shown that how the arrangement of ligands around the central metal line in the coordination compound or in the complexes are shown in this slide. So there are mainly the octahedral, tetrahedral and square planar geometry in a coordination compound. And it is also, there is a possibility that the isomeric possibilities arises depending upon the position and arrangement of ligand in around the metal line in the complexes. Isomer can be broadly classified generally into the two main categories. One is a structural isomer and second is a stereo isomer. And today we are going to discuss the first part of the isomerism, and that is structural isomers. So there are different type of structural isomers, and structural isomers are of 7 types are shown here. Which are now we are discussing one by one. And what is structural isomer now? So we can say that these are the isomer which have different arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom. I am repeating again that what is the structural isomer? These are the isomers which have different arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom. These various types of structural isomers are discussed here now one by one here. That is these are the different types: ionization isomerism, ligand, linkage, coordination, polymerization, hydrate and coordination position isomerism. So first one is ionization isomerism. And ionization isomerism, this type of isomer is possible when compound have same molecular formula but have they ionize to give different ion in the solutions. So this ionization isomerism name is given ionization. As we know, what is the isomer? Compound have the same formula but have the different structures. This ionization isomer is a structural isomerism. In case of ionization isomerism, the formula is same but they have different ions upon ionization. So therefore it is known as this type of isomers are possible when the compound have the same formula but they ionize to give different ion in the solution. So when compound have same formula is same but they ionize in a and forming different types of ion. So example is given here. Consider the example A and B. These two complexes are given, A and B, the two complexes are there. And first complex is a cobalt complex. The name of the complex is a sulfato pentamine cobalt 3 bromide. So this is the complex, sulfato pentamine cobalt 3 bromide. Second is bromopentamine cobalt 3 sulfate. So here, what is now here? This sulfate is inside and coordination sphere, and bromide is outside the coordination sphere. Here sulfate is outside the coordination sphere and bromine inside. So these are the two. Here number of ions are same. Cobalt is 1, ammonia are 5, Br is there, sulfate is there. Formula is same, number of atoms are same, but they ionize upon ionization. Here in this case of first complex A, what is now Br minus is forming and this complex ion. But now in this case sulfate ion is forming and the this complex ion. So the ions are different upon ionization, and therefore this is known as ionization isomerism. So in case of compound A is a red in color. In aqueous solution it gives taste for bromide ion, that is precipitate of AgBr with silver nitrate solution, but it does not give any taste for sulfate ion. No PPT obtained with the barium chloride solution. In case of compound B, this compound is a violet in color. In chemical composition is same as compared to the composition of this compound is same to the compound A, but in the solution it gives the taste for sulfate ion and does not give any taste for bromide ion. So in this way ions are different and compounds are having the same formula. Both the compounds contain bromide and sulfate, but in compound A bromide is ionizable and sulfate is not ionizable, and in compound B sulfate is ionizable and bromide is not ionizable. These two compounds are therefore ionizable isomer of each other. And some more examples are also there. So this is very simple example of ionization isomerism. Some more examples are here of the ionization isomer. So here it gives this is a compound A, this is compound B. This gives the test. These are the ionization shown here: plus positive complex ion and chloride negative. In this case, compound is same, nitrite ion, and the complex is positive. So this is the example of ionization isomerism. Another example is shown here. So similar to example 1, these are other additional example for this ionization isomers. So ionization isomers have different ion but have the same formula. Second type of isomerism is a ligand isomerism, and many organic compounds act as a ligand. These are also known as the exhibit isomerism in themselves, and when such isomeric ligands are present in the complex compound, they show isomerism, that is called ligand isomerism. It is because the isomerism present in the ligand. So what is this isomerism is due to the presence of ligand. Ligands are different and therefore number of atoms compounds are same, number of atoms are same, formula is same, but now they have different. There is a difference in a ligand. So in one example is given here. This is the cobalt, the compound A and compound B. This compound A and compound B have number of atoms are same, but only the here the structures are different. That is propylene PN, and is isomeric with the trimethylenamine TN, and their presence as ligand give rise to these two isomers. And these are the two isomers. This is the PN and this TN. Number of groups are same, and here is no Cl, okay, Cl2. So this type of isomers are possible in this case, and there is a difference between the ligand. So PN is a propylene diamine and TN is a trimethylenamine. So they have similar atoms and forming such type of ligand isomerism. Another example here is a butylene diamine. In short, we can write BN, and this is the formula, is isomeric with the isobutylene diamine. This is the in short IBN, and they have this is the they have the formula, and their presence as ligand give these two isomer. So here chromium Bn2 Br2 Br and Cr IBr Br2 Br. In this way, the difference in the ligand. So here isobutylene and this is butylene diamine are the examples of ligand, and they are different in the ligand. Ligands are different, but the formula is same, and therefore this is these different isomers obtained are known as ligand isomerism. Third is a linkage isomerism. This linkage isomerism is occur because of the same ligand. arises. This is due to the same ligand, but they have capable of coordinating with the central atom in more than one ways. Ligand is same, but the coordination through different atoms, more than one. So some ligands are there, that is thiocyanate. In case of thiocyanate, linkage can take place through the sulfur or through the nitrogen, depending upon the atom. So two atoms are present in the ligand, and through the ligand the linkage can take place, and therefore we have the isomerism of this type, linkage isomerism. So for example, here first example, the thiocyanate radical may coordinate either through the sulfur atom or through nitrogen atom, and giving two isomer, now A and B. In this case, this is the chromiums are same, formula is same, both the complex, and NH3 here SCN and NCN, because NCS, here it should be a S, here should be yes. Okay, so here SCN and NCS. So thiocyanato, name is a thiocyanato, write the name first ligand, thiocyanato, yes, pentamine chromium 3 ion. So yes is here because bonding is taking place through the sulfur. Sulfur have lone pair, it donate to the metal ion. And second is having here N, thiocyanato N, pentamine chromium 3 ion. Here N is there because in this case the coordination bond is formed through the nitrogen to the metal ion. Nitrogen also have lone pair of electron. So ligand is same, but bonding is taking place through sulfur or through nitrogen, and depending upon that, here we have to write sulfur and nitrogen, and in the writing the name, and therefore this is the linkage isomerism. So linkage through sulfur or through nitrogen. In case another example is also given, second example, NO2 group may coordinate either through the nitrogen or oxygen, here through nitrogen or through oxygen, giving two isomers. So in this case A and B, two examples are there. This is the compound, and name of this compound is nitro N pentamine cobalt 3 ion. Nitro N, nitro first, then N, because through nitrogen bonding is taking place, pentamine 5 NH3 pentamine, cobalt, and oxidation state is 3 in this case. So this is the name, and another is having nitro O through oxygen, therefore pentamine cobalt 3 ion. So these are the examples of linkage isomerism. So in this case, the ligand having more than one atom which can coordinate with the metal ion, and such type of is known as linkage isomerism. Whether bonding is taking place, such type of ligands are there, and in the same ligand the coordination can take place through different atoms, and such type of ligand is known as isomerism, is known as linkage isomerism. And another example is there, number 4, coordination isomerism. And in case of coordination isomerism, in the compound where both the cation and the anions are complex, the isomerism may arise due to the different distribution of ligand. This is known as coordination isomerism. Some examples are shown here. So compound A and B, this is A, this is B. Here cobalt, hexaamine cobalt, and one part, and second hexacyanochromium. So in this way, here now hexaamine chromium change, they have changed. So number of atoms are same, formula is same, groups are same, but the here interchange of this metal ion is taking place. So here is cobalt, now here is chromium, here is cobalt, here is chromium. In this way we obtain this type of coordination isomerism. Some more examples of this coordination isomerism is shown here, copper and platinum. So here platinum and copper, number of ligands are same. Another example, this is another example. So more examples are given here for this coordination isomerism. So in case of coordination isomerism, we can say that in the compound A, 6 ammonia molecules are coordinated to the cobalt ion, which is a part of cation, and 6 cyanide ion are attached to the chromium ion, which is a part of anion. In compound B, the position of ligand is reverse, and cobalt and chromium are now a part of anion and the cation respectively. So these are the some more examples shown here in the slide, and these are known as coordination isomerism. So interchange of metal and groups are same. Such type of isomers is known as coordination isomers. So these are the examples. Number 5 is a polymerization isomerism. As we know that polymer isomerism. Number 5, molecular formula of these complex compounds are such that they appear to be a polymer of some simple compound. All these compounds have same ratio of different atoms, but their actual numbers are different. It is a simple multiple of this simplest ratio, and these compounds are said to exhibit polymerization. So in this case, see now, in case of polymerization isomerism, it has a simple ratio. Now here, this is the one example, cobalt, this is the complex, and here number of cobalt is 1, number of ammonia are 3, number of NO3 groups are NO2 groups are NO3 groups are NO2, this should be NO2. How many NO2 are there? 3, NO2 group 3. Second, in case of, so ratio is 1:3:3. In case of second, number of cobalt are 2, ammonia are 6, NO2 groups are 6. In this case, cobalt are 2 and again 6, NH3 are 6. In case of this, cobalt are 5, this 3 and 2 is 2, cobalt are 5 and ammonia are 15 and NO2 are 15. So in this way, and if we divide this by, if you take the simple ratio, then 1:3:3, again this is 1:3:3. In this way we obtain the simple ratio, simplest ratio, and therefore such type of isomers are known as polymerization isomerism. Number 6 is the hydrate isomerism, and in some cases this type of isomerism arises because of the capability of water molecule to appear in variety of ways inside and outside the coordination sphere of the complex, and giving hydrate isomers. For example, there are 3 isomers shown here, hydrate isomers, hydrate here. So depending upon the water, now here this is number 1, chromium H2O6 Cl3. Same complex can be written in this way, chromium H2O5 Cl Cl2 H2O. Another way of representing complex is chromium H2O6 Cl2 Cl H2O. So all the 3 have the formula same but have the different structures, and here name of the first complex is hexa-icochromium 3 chloride and the color is violet. Second is penta-ico-chlorochromium chloride monohydrate blue in color and blue green, and this is the tetra dichloro, here should be 4, here it is 4, not 6. So tetra-ico-dichlorochromium 3 chloride dihydrate, and it is green. So all the 3 have different structure but have the formula same. Other examples of hydrate isomerisms are shown here. This is A and this is B, different structures here. This is another example. So these are the additional examples of this hydrate isomerism of this coordination compound. And one more is left, that is called coordination position isomerism. So in case of polynuclear complexes, an interchange of ligand between the different metal nuclei and forming the position isomerism. So here this is the one complex, and here is a Cl, this is Cl and Cl to Cl2. So total number of atoms are same, positions are same. So here NH3 4CO, these are the bridging bonding here, and in this way we can write. Another way, Cl is here, NH3 3, NH3 here 3. So in ammonia are total 4 and 2 6. So 3 are here. Total Cs are 4. So 3 are here. One more is here. So number of atoms are there, but the structures are different, and interchange of ligand is taking place. So interchange of ligand means here are the 4, here are the 2, here are the 3, here. Cl also changes the position, and therefore depending upon the interchange of ligands we get coordination position isomerism. So these are the 7 different structure isomerism. So in case of structure isomerism, they have similar formula is same, chemical formula is same, but have the different structures, and there are 7 types of structure isomerism. So today we have discussed the different type of structure isomerism, that is ionization isomerism, ligand isomerism, linkage isomerism, polymerization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, and after that we have seen the coordination position isomerism, and there are different examples of these structure isomerism. So structure isomerisms have same molecular formula but have different structures.